There have been some absolutely explosive moves happening with Casper, the cryptocurrency. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about one thing you need to be paying attention to for this crypto and why I think this one, the party is not over for it, because we are seeing some bullish momentum in the crypto space for Casper. It is pushing up. I'll tell you guys where I think realistically the price of this one can get to. Also, some other critical updates. What has happened with Da Vinci? Why is this so important for Casper? And also, what are some of the wildcard factors coming up for this crypto? So if that sounds good to you guys like the Casper updates, hit the thumbs up button. As always, not financial advice. Let's get into the video. You guys know we've been talking about Casper for many months now, and it has exploded in value just recently. So this was a crypto. I saw that it was poised to explode. I've actually got both exposure to both Casper, the actual crypto, and also futures as well. And I've had questions. How do you buy Casper? Two of the easiest places to buy Casper in the crypto market currently, because I know a lot of people have trouble. It's either BINGX. I've got a link to BINGX in the description of this video. You can click that. And if you are actually into crypto trading, if you use my link, you can actually unlock up to $15,000 worth of crypto bonuses as well. But BINGX is one place to buy it. You can see right here, spot CAS/USDT. You can trade that right there. That is where you can get some exposure to CAS. Also, they also have a perpetuals future contract as well. So this is the one I bought into as well, because I saw some explosive gains happening for this. And I'm already sitting on some nice juicy gains for Casper already with my futures position and my spot position right there. So link to BINGX if you want to check it out. I've also got a link to MEXC if you want to sign up there, get up to $1,000 worth of bonuses. But at the moment, I'm doing lots of trades over on BINGX, and I did put in low leverage for my Casper trade because I didn't want to get liquidated, and it's going very, very well right now. So long 3x right there, but things are looking very, very exciting for that crypto. So what do you guys need to know about this crypto? You know, what has been the catalyst for the recent price movements here? And I actually called it out on Twitter yesterday. So about 20, I think it was 20 minutes after this guy posted, he put out this tweet. His name is Vinci Jeremy. If you don't know him, he is an OG in the crypto space. If you have a look at his previous Twitter account and you actually scroll down the bottom here, you know, he's dropped the Casper contract, the Casper name right here. He said a friend of mine said to look into it, and people weren't sure if he was talking about Casper or not. They were a little bit confused, and so he released this video yesterday. Let's listen in. I'll give you guys some analysis of it.
So Eunice Wong asked me, hey, Da Vinci, did you just tweet about Cas or Casper? Yeah, I did. And the reason why is because I'm joined their Telegram group, and I wanted to prove that it was actually me, because, you know, there's no real way to prove, you know, it's actually you in, you know, these different groups that you join and sign up for. You know, there's got to be a better way of doing this. I hope that one day in the future that we come up with a better solution for identification.
So there you go, Da Vinci Jeremy. And this guy was very famous for encouraging people to buy Bitcoin super cheap, super early, and he was telling people to buy $1 worth of Bitcoin. So this is probably one of the biggest credentials Casper can get backing it right now. And when I did see that tweet, I said Da Vinci about to send CAS to all-time highs. Watch this space. And that's exactly what happened. So he put out the tweet, and you can literally just see the buys start to pump in for Casper. The chart was already looking bullish, but again, the Da Vinci tweet sent Casper up and up. So what do I think's actually happened right here? Again, this guy has, I would say, some big networks, Bitcoin whales. A lot of people follow him for Bitcoin. And, you know, there's going to be this cross-pollination effect that happens with the Bitcoin community. So if the Bitcoin community, you know, listened to him when he was putting out his Bitcoin videos very, very early, that made them lots of money. You know, Casper, him telling the audience about Casper, that could also be a massive catalyst to the upside as well. So that is something that has happened in the last 24 hours. It did send the price of Casper up. And even though we are moving very, very nice right now, where do I think the price of Casper can potentially go in the future? So you have to understand, you know, this is a very bullish graph we are looking at. But, you know, the way I see Casper, I see it a bit differently to what other people see it out there. The reason I think Casper has such a high, you know, price potential is because it is competing within the currency niche of cryptocurrency. So that might sound a bit confusing. So what do I mean by that? I mean, it's competing against Bitcoin, it's competing against Litecoin, it's competing against these other, Monero to some degree, not really similar, but a little bit different. And but that is where Casper is competing, and it's got a very, very high price ceiling. So when you're kind of in the currency space, people start to see this as valuable, decentralized. The sky potentially becomes a limit. That's what we've seen for Bitcoin, and you guys know the Bitcoin price in the future. Who knows where it can go? It can go to $500,000. It could potentially go to $1 million. No one is really sure. So these things become very, very speculative to the upside. I don't really classify it. I don't really compare it against Ethereum or anything like that. The way I see Kaspa is a currency coin, and I think just that alone with its technology is enough to potentially send it up the charts. The other thing you have to be paying attention to for Kaspa right now, if you're not aware of this, you should be aware of this, are crypto exchanges. So at the moment, as I told you guys, in crypto, if you want to make lots of money, you have to be buying these things early before they get listed on multiple crypto exchanges. Generally in crypto, if it's a token, it might launch onto Uniswap or PancakeSwap. If you're quick to get in there, you can make some crazy gains. So that's what's happened with cryptos like Pepe. They launch on decentralized exchanges. Casper is a coin, so it's not going to be on a DEX like Uniswap, but it is on crypto exchanges like BINGX. Link below with the bonuses, and also MEXC link below as well. I prefer to use BINGX personally, but what could happen with Casper in the future is it could get listed on more crypto exchanges. The ones that are of particular interest to me, the ones that I think will significantly increase the price of Casper, they're going to be these US-based exchanges. So we're talking about Coinbase, we're talking about Kraken. I don't even know why Kraken hasn't listed it. These things should be operating as businesses. They should be looking to make money, giving the customers what they want. And the thing is, because Casper is so decentralized, there is a good theory out there that the crypto exchanges will have to go into the market and buy up Casper. If that happens, they have to buy up Casper on the open market. Guys, we could see some explosive moves once again in this cryptocurrency. So that is the factor to watch out for Casper. And I think it's going to happen. So generally in crypto, people will make noise on Twitter, they're going to make noise on YouTube, and once cryptos go viral, all the exchanges will be, fighting to list Casper because they have to make money off trading volume, they have to make money off crypto. That's how an exchange works. So it's a business. They have to give the customers what they want. A lot of the customers are saying Casper. So I think Casper crypto exchanges is probably going to be one of the next big upsides for this crypto. And guys, we're going to do more updates for this. So if you guys enjoy the latest news happening super quick on the channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel right here. Hit the notification bell. We're going to do more Casper updates in the future. We're definitely going to check out some other crypto gems as well. And again, if you want to get some huge bonuses on BINGX, use the link in the description of this video. And if you are going to leverage trades, always make sure you understand exactly what you're doing in the crypto market. And I wouldn't be surprised in the future if we do see a massive Binance listing for Casper and Coinbase as well. But they are the big ones to potentially look for. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Crypto Zeus is Lord of the Gems, signing out.